Today we'll talk about how can you figure out this relation or know how you can do that on your eToro app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, just go here above this sign, click on it. When you just click on it, it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do now, just click here on settings. So then you come to next step here. Then all you have to do, you just click here on accounts. So when you just click here on accounts, it's going to take you to this is here. Then you go down, you just keep going down here, then you come here to factor authentication, just clicking this sign. So like we see this color show for us, that's mean here it's enabled with us now. You follow all so I have no verification account, but if you have it, it's going automatically to enable with you. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.